Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer ke Jylla Dr. BDR Tiwari hene kasi ulayathu baka SIR ha ke Jylla kalaya chakmat bat ketanat election kala keren syai bakam don kam ban penjelan ya kani ke jingle ya ke SIR ha ke Jylla CEO ke Jylla ulaong ba ka jing penrung kerteng themai ha ke Jylla kalaya chakmat ha ke linti ke Biang bat kinla ru ban Pyndep ya kani ha ke por ke Biang kumbalabu dak election commission jong kari India ulai thoru bakumba khandai pupra persen lasam yaki enumeration form ha ke Jylla habagran bagi nong tho kubor ha ke office tray kam jong Dr. BDR Tiwari ulai tho ba khandai pupra point we nyo persen ki enumeration form ladap bansam habaro ka we ke Jylla na ki arpulai point saw khandai lak ngut ki nong thap vote ki bala penrung kerteng palat arpulai point not henriu lak ngut ki la yo ki form kat ba khat sao pon not nyo lak tali ki phom kabakot shaki hinriu pu ar pon iwei san persen jong ki nong thap vote la dap ban penle lingba ka digital katkum ka jing ethu jong CEO ka West Jente Hills ka South West Khasi Hills bat ka South West Garo Hills kila yo ban Pyndep 6% ka jing sa me ki phom kat ba ka East Garo Hills bat ka ribhoi ru kila jendap pura katanat election kala ithu ru ya san pulai hajar khandai spa prangut ki nong thap vote lani pon khandai na ke shispa na baro ki nong thap vote ki ba klem one thap vote ki bala kenre ajaka bat ki bala khlat bat ru ki ba don ya ki epic ki bam shisha ne ka ASDD utiwari ula penshai ba man la ka wei pa ka wei case ka ba kum kan ye kan ya ding ba ka jing pechisha bat on pendam ya kanu kanu ka kerteng klem da vote ya kru kom trekam kat kum ka an bala bo CEO la pen kan mai ki nong thap vote baha ka arp kandai trek unaitung kadika tarik ka bakhatu ban penpoi ya ki enumeration form haba kerpa ti ka jinge trailang jengki pat ba utiwari ula kentu ya baro ki nong thap vote ki badai hok ki barang hab ban penpoi ki form la ka long ling ba ki boot level officer jongki la ne ling ba ka online da ka bapenun kam da ka ECI net app knang ba onum don uweru nong thap vote ubadai hok ban sha e no ha ka thop nong thap vote.
In respect to Special Intensive Revision SIR 2006 in Meghalaya, as on 21st July 2026, Meghalaya has achieved another major milestone in SIR by distribution of 98.17% of enumeration form across the state, reflecting the continued commitment of the election machinery and enthusiastic participation of the electors. As on today, out of total 23,49,645 electors, total 23,605,85 enumeration forms have been distributed, achieving 98.17% coverage. Simultaneously, 14,07,446 enumeration form already been digitized, accounting 62.15% of the total electorate, marking significant progress in the digitization process. So, some districts like West Jaintia Hill, Southwest Khasi Hill and Southwest Garo Hill achieved 100% distribution, East Garo Hill 99.9% and Ribhoi 99.8%. So, in the digitization also, West Khasi Hill digitized 79.86%, Southwest Khasi Hill 78.5%, East Jaintia Hill 75.4%, followed by West Garo Hill 74.03% and Southwest Garo Hill 73.81%. As on 21st July, out of total 53,908 electors constituting 2.29% of total electorate in the state have been identified under the absentee, shifted, diseased and duplicate ASDD categories. Of these, 5,795 electors have been identified as absent, 13,379 as shifted, 32,382 as diseased, and 2,029 as duplicate, while 323 electors refused to accept the enumeration form. These cases will be dealt with in accordance with the provision of registration of the elector rule 1960 after following the prescribed verification process and providing due opportunity to the concerned electors wherever applicable before any decision is taken regarding the electoral roll. The Office of CEO Meghalaya reiterates that electors who do not submit their duly filled enumeration forms within the prescribed timeline will not have their names included in the draft electoral roll scheduled to be published on the 5th of August 2026. And all the eligible electors are therefore advised to ensure that their enumeration forms are submitted to their respective booth level officers or through online mode by downloading the ECI Net app or visit the website http://voters.eci.gov in well before the deadline, which is 29th of July, to facilitate their inclusion in the draft electoral roll. To ensure effective implementation and timely completion of the SIR, the CEO Meghalaya has been conducting weekly video conferences with the district election officers, EROs and AEROs, and we are doing monitoring in the fields also. These review meetings focus on the monitoring progress of house to house distribution, collection of the enumeration form, digitization of enumeration form, other SIR related activities, including facilitating the smooth functioning digitization and all other requisite process during this entire exercise. The district election machineries have been directed to closely supervise the work of BLOs through the supervisors, AERO, EROs, and the DCs. So DCs are also making along with their teams to the field visits and getting in touch with the people on the ground through the electors and to know the first-hand information and address the concern and issues raised by them. So, and all the activities we are committed and well prepared to complete smoothly within the prescribed timeline by the Election Commission of India. On this 21st July 2026, we had a meeting with the representatives of the recognized political parties and state political party to review the progress. And we have briefed all the entire process and the progress and everything in respect to SIR process is concerned. So we highly appreciated their initiative for appointing the booth level agents. And as on today, there are 892 booth level agents are working across the state along with the BLOs and on the ground. So BLAs are expected to play a vital role in assisting the electors, verifying the electoral roll details and ensuring greater transparency and accuracy in the SIR process. So we urge all political parties to continue extending their cooperation for the timely and successful completion of the SIR exercise. So the entire election machinery in the state are dedicated to complete this exercise along with the district election officers, EROs, AEROs, BLOs, BLO supervisors, and all the officials associated with the SIR process, the ground level enumerator, DEOs, and all the people who are assisting, and as well as the volunteer organizations also who are assisting the BLOs in their house to house and enumeration form exercise. So who electors who have not yet received or submitted their enumeration form, I would like to very humbly request to all the electors to cooperate with the booth level officers during their house to house visit process, to submit their filled enumeration form well before the deadline so BLO can collect the filled enumeration form and digitize and upload through the BLO app. So all the data would get recorded and uploaded. So no eligible person's name should be disappear, and no ineligible person's name to be included, which will be later on. So in this enumeration phase, we are fully committed. We are getting the support. But moreover, we would like to request through the media and appeal to all the electors who already not at their present address, but wherever they are, if they can be accessed, they can approach, they can visit this ECI portal and go through this ECI Net app, which is very, very helpful to download in their mobiles. And all the electors enumeration form it already there. So if no someone who is outside of the state not being present at the time of BLO's visit, somehow they could not be traced, or some are residing on the rent and they shifted their address. Those kind of all the people whom the BLO could not trace on their previous address, we would like to appeal and request to all such electors to fill their enumeration form, so to complete this exercise fairly and correctly, so no one should get their name disappeared. Entire machinery is fully committed and doing entire exercise, and we are thankful to all the media person also for their all kind of support and all the help extended from the end of the media. So it has become very helpful in achieving and doing such progress in the SIR process in the state, and we are very hopeful that the entire process will be done very smoothly. So far the complaints are concerned, we have not received any such complaints, and any calls in respect to the book your call to BLO which is coming, that is also been addressed in time, except in few cases where it taking little bit more time than the prescribed timeline. That is also been trying, our election official are trying to address well within the timeline and to be in touch with the electors. So all needful things. So far the complaints concerned, we are not receiving any complaints, so we are very much satisfied, and all the support from all ends we are getting in the state.
So,
ideal situation is like that each and every national party or state recognized political party should appoint BLA for each and every polling booth. So we are having 3,551 polling booth. So they are supposed to, all the parties to appoint BLAs, but it is not mandatory. It is voluntary. If they want to appoint, they should. So as Meghalaya has before SIR, they have not appointed any BLAs in the prescribed manner. So once we have appealed and approached to them, they have come forward and appointed BLAs. So it is no upper cap or anything, no requisite number. It is up to the political party how many BLAs they want to.
has all the political party appointed BLS?
At least major parties has come forward and they appointed.
Which are the parties which has
like the NPP, UDP, Congress, BJP, VPP, TMC is appointed BLAs in the different.
So coming to
This is also a very important exercise, and mostly as per the RT, they can't be engaged apart from the census and the election exercise. So during this time, all the teachers are not engaged for the BLO duty. In the one village, there is only one person has been engaged, and that is not mandatorily teacher. So they are except this intensive house-to-house exercise, they after that they also doing the teaching work also, and in the extra time after their duty they are doing the election duty also. And except this SIR exercise, most of the time they are not supposed to do the regular duty on the each and every day for the electoral roll updation. As and when whatever work arises, they do accordingly. The matter is like that, somebody don't want to receive and refuse to accept, I don't want the enumeration form. We can't ask the reason.
is it because of some religious thing?
I don't know, because why we can't force. We can approach, we can give them, we are just request them to receive the enumeration form and return it in the prescribed manner, and then to get a receiving. It is for their own cause, because the electors whoever name is there in the electoral roll, it is the entire process just to verify entire electoral roll on the ground, and as well as to update it. So whoever is not accepting, we can't force them. Suppose that I don't want somebody don't want the name to be remain in the electoral roll, and they want to get their name in other place, suppose that, so they might have refused, I don't want here because, and they don't give any reason. So any such situation may arise, but we are not expected to ask the reason why you are refusing. Yes,
Do you
please.
have any
I can't refuse or I can't act this thing. This is the ground feedback from your end. But moreover, wherever the form has been filled online, BLO is supposed to verify those. But they can't insist that again if you have did online, then they have to say ki you have to do the offline form also. Either you are doing online or offline, so it is either way, but online form whatever is being filled, that to be verified ki details are correct.
Some below the
Just to provide the requisite information and help the elector, at least ki if you want your detail in the previous SIR and you are not being able to trace that, so then they will help you. It is not form have to be filled and then signed by the elector only or the relative of elector. If they are seeking the BLO's help, BLO is voluntarily helping and providing this thing, or otherwise BLO is not supposed to fill the form of the elector. Data, whatever they have recorded accordingly. It's not a specific area from this place, this many. There are, it is from across the state, and the total number, the total we received, that is, this is the data only I have seen. Document also. Similarly, in the case if their relative is also been mapped, like the parents, grandparent, etc. Only the people whose either their name is not in the 2005 SIR or they are not, their relatives are not being mapped, they have to produce the document. And once as required, it is verified and they have to come for the hearing, or the hearing will be at the time of claim and objections. So whoever like apply for the Form 6. So in those cases, even the online also can be done. And in the case who like filing of the submission of the enumeration form, a relative can also sign on behalf of the person concerned.
So the person did not be physically present.
No. If like the student, somebody is studying in Delhi or Bangalore and other place, and just for filling the enumeration form, why? No need to come. It is already given in the enumeration form by relatives, and the relative have to give the name and epic number and relation, so they can sign on
That
behalf.
clarity was important.
Already there. So once again, I would like to request all the media person, at least this point have to be covered, so the confusion among the people may be get it.
So one last